How to manage bookings in Kiwi.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can manage your bookings in Kiwi.com. So let's get into it. Now before we begin, you need to create an account, and you can create an account by clicking the link in the description below. You will also get a bunch of bonuses like coupon codes and promo codes, so make sure you check the link in the description below, and once you've signed up you should be good to go. Next, you need to go ahead and create a booking in order to manage your booking. And to create a booking, you can just simply come over here and just fill out this form right here, create a booking. So for example, let's say that we're going from Srinagar to Manchester, one-way flight, economy, one passenger, one baggage and luggage. And once we've done that, we should be good to go. Next, just simply hit the search button. Make sure you input your departure date and then hit the search bar, and then just basically create your booking, right? So next, just simply go ahead and select one of these flights and you should be good to go. All right. And here, once you've created an account by clicking the link in the box, here you click on your profile, and then here you have my trips. Here, you're going to go ahead and see all of your trips that are available, upcoming, past, currently that is active. All the trips are going to be available over here, and here you can manage them, sort them out however you want them. So pretty cool, right? So yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can manage your bookings in Kiwi.com. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.